Hey, Rain. Are you having fun?
Yeah.
In Orlando? After leaving Universal Studios and Island of Adventures?
Yeah.
Huh?
Yeah.
How it feels to be at the largest McDonald's here in Orlando?
Yeah.
How that feels?
Good.
You good? Alright, come on. Well, let's go.
Okay, bye guys.
Alright.
Bye.
Come on.
I gotta go now.
You gotta go.
Yeah.
And where are you going? You going home? Are you sure? Alright, come on. It's alright. Come on, Rain. Follow you.
Okay.
You going? Come on, all around. Come on. You going? Come on, this way. You gotta go downstairs.
Yeah.
Go downstairs.
Yeah.
See Diamond.
Yeah.
All right.
Oh, good. Connect four.
Come on, there you go.
Yeah.
Don't live in any of the surrounding counties.
Parties.
Is this your son?
Yeah, no, that's my little brother. Nice to meet you. All righty. This is a huge. Huh? It's huge. Huh? Huh? Oh, that's where they have shows and stuff.
What a show.
Huh?
Keep on there.
A fish? You got a fish tank here? You go there.
Yeah.
What are you gonna do there? Come here. Come on, over here. Come here.
So where we going now?
Going home. Give me a hand. Give me a hand. See McDonald's? Huh? Yes, it is. What? What? She said they're gonna buy out the mobile, right?
Huh?
They're gonna buy out the gas station.
Oh yeah, make space.
Uh-huh.
Yeah, they're gonna make a. Guess what? They're gonna make a third floor.
It is a third floor up there.
Where?
Up there. It's a
They're
gift
gonna
shop.
no, they're gonna make a third floor.
Oh.
Guess what?
What?
They said the renovation is gonna take 3 months.
That's it?
Next September through December, they shut it down and make renovation.
Wow.
It's already the biggest.